All right, guys. I want to do a real quick tutorial. Try to make this short and sweet. Keep it down to about 3 to 5 minutes. Scott Starnes asked a question over in the group. I'm looking for some help. I'm trying to design my own web page inside of PLS and want to customize a capture page to go with it. Can anyone offer some advice? Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Do a little technical stuff. I've been doing some hacking over the years, over the past 20 years. So what I want to do is jump in here and show you step by step how to go in, make an editable copy of a website, and you can change the text. I'm just going to show you the basics. I'm not going to get into the real heavy stuff like Frank Calabro and Brian Brackett. Those guys are the wizards, okay? First, get into your website administration area over at mycompanyadmin.com. Log into your account, and we'll just click past here for the time being. Okay. And over here at the top, you're going to see websites. Okay. And if you go in here and look at some of these websites and you see something that you like, click on websites. Okay. Select your domain that you want to work with. Okay. Let me do. I'm going to select my website. If you don't have a website that you have purchased inside of Power Lead System, go to websites, scroll down to buy a domain. I would strongly suggest getting a website, okay? Buy your own website. For right now, what we're going to do is I'm just going to select a website. And I'm going to see what's available. So if, we make it real simple, I've got some shared pages up here, some funnels that's been created for me. Let's go down here to some of the company pages. You can see I got a lot of pages in here, a lot of shares. Power Lead System capture pages, okay? So let's say we want to use something with an email address and a name, or email only. Let's just choose this one right here. We're going to say PLS, lead capture page number 3, name and email. Then we're going to go down to the bottom, and you can do this with just about any page in there. Select one. Oh, wait a minute, I got a copy. I was just selecting a page, okay? So let's click here to make a copy of the page, or you can go up here and say copy pages, all right? So let's do it the easy way. Scroll down on websites and then select copy, all right? And you want these people to come in and become a prospect for whatever you want. Let's go back down to that page that I was looking at. And we want to find one of the company pages. Let's do this one again. PLS lead capture page number 3, just for an example. Okay. And we want to get name and email. Realize that the more information you ask for, the less results and conversions you're going to get on opt-ins. Okay. Some of your highest opt-in rates are just on email only. All right. When you start asking for name and email, you're going to see maybe a few numbers dropping down in the number of opt-ins. And then when you start asking for name, email, and phone, and there's certain business verticals that you would probably want to use that. I use it on some of my others because that way I can follow up and call the people. All right. But let's just select this right here, just name and email for grins. Scroll all the way down. Now we're on the copy page. You can do that with just about any page you want to work with. Make a copy of it. Make me a copy. come here. Now we're going to make this kind of something to remember, easy to remember. Copy of lead capture page number 03. Then I'm going to take that out because sometimes I find a problem trying to find it, using mixed case. And I'll say made on today, 7/19/2019. And now, this is just the title of the page right here that's going to show up in your admin area, okay? For, when you go over here and say my website, so I'm going to right click and open this up so I don't lose my place. But over here, you're going to see all these pages right here. Right here, it's showing the lowercase mix that the system made for me, but I'm going to change that in a minute, okay? Because as soon as I save this, it's going to change that name over here to whatever I assign it. So let's say we're going to say title of this web page is what's going to show up over here in the address bar. So if I go to one of my websites, Master Marketers Institute, just for an example, it shows the title of the page that Frank Calabro made for the FWS, Forever Wealth System. Okay. If I do cryptobillionaire.biz, okay, then it's going to show the title. If you see it up here at the top right, Algo Signals, Crypto and Forex, get free direct access to our world-class trading signal software today, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So whatever you've plugged in over here is what's going to show up. We're going to say, tired of not making real money on the internet, then you need to plug in with Power Lead System. Now you don't want to use too many exclamation marks in your title because it shows up, it can have, some different effects on it. Now we're going to choose a domain, all right, and we're going to assign a subdomain to billmoney.biz, and I'm going to say something like work at home with PLS.billmoney.biz, okay? And you don't want to use any wwws because it'll plug it in for you, okay? All right, now we're not going to assign an autoresponder to it. Well, I guess we could. Let's go and find the 2017 Lead Lightning PLS Gold Power Lead System. Okay, I've already been over 3 to 5 minutes. I'm 9 minutes in. Okay, it'll take longer than I thought. Let's find 24/7 viral cache. We want to send them over to the 24/7 viral autoresponders. Okay, and you've got to make sure you have that plugged in on your share codes, because you do have to share that. All right, and we're just going to keep it on the default sales page. After they log in, we're going to send them over to the 24/7 viral cache page. Select that. Here you can put in your SEO content, description, and keywords. I'm not going to worry about that right now. So now we got the page set. I'm going to come over here, and you want to change the background if you don't want the sunrise on the setting sun, from the beach. You can change. Let's put this, okay. Click that. It brings you to the next page where you can edit text. And now we can say something like, here is where you would make the editable copy. New push button system, let's say, has gone totally viral. And we're going to put a page break. And let's say, realistically make we're not going to get crazy. Realistically make $500 days. Let's change this. Back up. Realistically make $500 days with PL with power. Page break or line break. Power the system. Say, no previous experience necessary. We have all the people here to help you. I'm going to put a break. Help you succeed. Enter your enter your name and best email below. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is highlight that, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change the size, and I want to drop the size down a little bit. Okay. Let's bring it up to about a 24 point so it's not too small, not too big. There. Now, okay. Save changes, move to the next step. And here is where we would view our page, and it brings it up as a subdomain of billmoney.biz, and you see it's all right there on one page. It doesn't scroll. You don't want to get too far off. You don't want people scrolling off. So here, new push button system has gone totally viral. Realistically make 500 days with Power Lead System. No previous experience necessary. We have all the people here to help you succeed. Okay, I'm going crazy. This is just the way I am. So you put in, your name. We'll say Ernest and my best email. Let's use one of my other emails and click grant access, get access. Okay, now we come up to the bot check. NRNW, submit, and it's already picking me up on my IP, so don't worry about this. You probably won't see that on yours, but we're going to test it, and boom, it's going over to the right page, because this is where I want them to go. I want them to come over here and watch this little 5-minute video, and then the next video is down here on the compensation plan. I think it's about 3.5, or is it 8? Let it get loaded. Let it load, let it load, let it load, load. Okay. There. 3-minute. 3-minute video, okay, and a 5-minute video. So total just a little over 8 minutes for 2 videos. This gives them all the information, okay? So that's how you edit the page, all right? You want to go back and edit, you can click here to edit the web page, and it'll just bring you back to the edit text and background, all right? Now, I'm not going to get into the real, complicated stuff about changing backgrounds, but you can. We can do that some other time. But here, if you want to edit the background, go back here. You can change the background by clicking on that and change it to something else. Click on that. And now we've got a money background. Okay. So maybe that's more appropriate. Save it. And then go and view it again. Same page. Work at home with PLS.billmoney.biz. Boom. And I can use this, okay, in one of my solo ads. And who knows? Maybe the money background is more appropriate. So anyway, I hope this helps. Let me know if it does. I'll post a link to it. We've already skipped survey, and it's taken me over to the 24/7 viral cache. All right. If this helps, let me know. If not, let me know. See what I can do to help you. There's a lot more smarter people in this group than me, but I'm just an old school guy. I'm an old hack. Thanks. Bye.